Hey everyone, I was gifted this external hard drive from Orco for my honest review. The best thing about this is that it's a solid state drive, so there are no moving pieces in this. Unlike my old hard drive, it has so many moving pieces on the inside and eventually it stopped working. So I was really upset that I lost everything on here because of all the moving pieces on here. But this is a solid state drive, no moving pieces, will last a long time. Another great thing about it is that it's USB-C connection, which is what everything seems to be going to nowadays. So you just simply plug it into the USB-C cord, which comes with this, by the way. Plug it into your computer and it connects really quickly. On the other end, you do have two options. You have the USB-C connection, or if for some reason your computer doesn't take USB-C, then you also have the USB-A adapter as well, which is pretty cool that you get both on one end. I love that this thing holds 512 gigabytes of data. You know, my laptop doesn't even hold that much, so I'm really excited about this. When I was transferring files from my computer to this, it moved so quickly. Like the files were just dropping in and completing in seconds. And that's because this has 1,050 megabytes per second read speed. And when you want to access your files, you just plug this into your computer. It recognized it instantly. It's just all plug and play, easy to use. So if you're looking for a really nice, reliable, and compact external hard drive, I highly recommend this one.